I have a Frigidaire ice maker I'm trying to install and the harness wasn't with it. The new wire are blue, black, yellow, green/yellow, and the old wires are white, black, brown, green. Could you tell me the right wiring combination, please?
Can you guesstimate how old your Frigidaire is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
I have a Frigidaire FPE-21TC fridge, not sure how old. It's my folks' fridge.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I can think of, just wasn't sure of the wiring diagram for the ice maker.
Hello and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I am a certified appliance repair technician. I am sorry to hear you are having trouble with your refrigerator today, but I will do my best to assist you. Are these wires not in a harness, or are you trying to hardwire it in an ice maker?
The new harness wouldn't work with the old one, so I'm hardwiring it.
Understood. Do you have a multimeter?
No, my father's multimeter died and he hasn't replaced it.
Okay, give me a moment to check something, please.
I know the black to black should be right, and the green to green/yellow as well. I just want to make sure that the other two are correct. Right now I have yellow to brown and white to light blue.
Exactly, that is what I am going to verify. I believe I have a wiring diagram for that ice maker in my van. I am going to go check right now. I believe you have it right, but I'm not 100% because I don't know what voltage is coming out of what wires from your fridge. I'm not sure if the brown wire is 120V. But this is what I would do if you aren't already doing this. Wire the ice maker with the unit unplugged. When you plug it in, if the ice maker keeps filling with water continuously, you need to reverse those two sets of wires. No harm, no foul. Are you still with me?
Thanks, no water overflowing, so now it's a waiting game to make sure it produces ice. Thanks for your help.
You can manually force the ice maker to cycle. Ice maker test.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.